Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cordless power tools. We'll explore the differences between the Bosch tabless battery and the standard 18 volts battery. In 2026, the bottleneck for high-performance tools is no longer the motor, but the battery. Traditional 21,700 tab cells have transitioned to tabless architecture. This change dramatically reduces internal resistance, increasing both performance and efficiency. First, let's understand how a standard 18 volts battery works. Each cell is connected via a metal tab, which creates electrical resistance. The Bosch tabless technology replaces these tabs with a continuous contact surface. This design allows more electrons to flow with less resistance, which means less heat and more sustained power output. Now, let's look at the benefits of this tabless design. Our tests revealed that the tabless battery reduces internal resistance to 12 to 14 milliohms compared to 25 to 30 milliohms in standard batteries. This significant reduction enhances efficiency during high-draw applications, such as grinders and circular saws. Next, let's talk about thermal management. The Bosch Pro Core line uses advanced materials that efficiently conduct heat away from the cells. While the standard battery can reach dangerous temperatures, the tabless design stays cooler, preventing throttling that limits tool power. We conducted real-world tests using the Bosch GWS18V13 professional grinder. Here's what we found. Under heavy load, the standard battery's voltage dropped significantly, while the tabless battery maintained a stable voltage. This stability translates into better performance and longevity. Additionally, we noticed that the tabless pack delivered 28% more cuts per charge compared to its standard counterpart. This means you get more work done with less downtime. In summary, the Bosch tabless battery significantly outperforms the standard 18 volts battery. It reduces internal resistance, enhances thermal management, and provides more stable power delivery. If you're using tools that demand high amperage, the Bosch tabless battery is the way to go. Don't miss out on this cutting-edge technology that redefines power tool efficiency. Check out the links below for more information and be sure to subscribe for future updates on the latest tool technologies.